Hi, I'm Deborah Murphy, physical therapist and Pilates instructor, and today we're going to work on a breathing exercise that I use with most of my clients. This is a way to learn to keep your abdominals snug while you're able to take a deep breath, which is important if you're trying to support your spine during your activities of life and during your Pilates mat classes. We're going to start by setting Kate up lying on her back. And you can do this on a mat. You don't have to do it on a piece of Pilates equipment. And I'm going to look at the position of her back and especially her neck. Right now her ear is quite a bit lower than her shoulder. So I happen to have a little prop that I'm going to place under her head. And this is just enough to get her into a little better position. Also, in terms of tightness in your neck, if you just start out by rolling your head a little bit from side to side, that can relax your neck and help you find that more neutral position as you lie down. I'm also going to check and see her alignment. Her knees are directly in line with her hips, and her left foot can come out just a little bit to be in line with her hip. And she's just resting in a relaxed position. Let's just bring your awareness into the back of your body, so that you feel your connection into the mat through the backs of your shoulders, the back of your head, then your ribs and your low back. And take a couple of deep breaths, breathing in just any way that you want and out. As she takes a deep breath, I can see that both her rib cage and her abdomen move a little bit. And a lot of people have been taught to do belly breathing, so that your abdominal muscles actually lift and lower with your breath. But what we're going to work on today is actually more of a chest breath, so that your abdominals can stay snug throughout your Pilates workout or any other activity that you're doing where you want to support your spine. For our purposes, we're going to draw the navel in and up. So place your hands on the bottom of your ribs, and I'm going to follow the movement of your rib cage. So take a deep breath in, just feeling what part of your body moves. And as you take a deep breath out, draw your hands toward each other. And again, inhale, widening. And exhale, release. Shoulders stay released down. Keep your breath flowing. And release. Keeping your abdominals snug, take a deep breath in. So your belly button's going to stay down, your ribs are going to expand, and a deep breath out. Pull your navel in even deeper. Doing a good job of keeping your abdominals snug and chest wide. One more time, deep breath in, and exhale. If you're taking deep breaths in and your ribs are popping up toward the ceiling, probably your back is tight. We want to try to release this, the lower rib cage, down into the mat and let it stay connected. So relax your back as much as you can and let your ribs move out and in more than up off of the mat and down. Let's start again, taking a breath in. As you exhale, draw your abdominals deeply in, navel draws up and then in. Continue to breathe deeply, expanding your ribs out into your armpits and breathing out, narrowing your waist. Everybody wants wide shoulders and a narrow waist, so keep that in mind. Increase the width of your breath at the shoulder and decrease the width of your body at the waist. You can practice this exercise in any position. It's nice to learn it when you're lying down because you have the feedback of the pressure of the mat to know whether you're keeping yourself relaxed through your shoulders and your back. It can also be done sitting at your desk, practicing drawing your abdominals in, taking some deep breaths when you're driving, or standing. It's something I practice all the time as I'm doing my work. So I hope you find this exercise useful.